Welcome to day 5. Okay amigos, welcome to day 6 on my do-yourself exposure unit project. Now on day 5 I actually cover up everything. I did this front cover, the sides and the back, and now the only thing left to do is to actually put where the LEDs are going to go to. And at first I was going to use the same metal, but I realized that it's too thin and actually folds, so I decided to switch to wood, which is right here. So I didn't get plywood, I actually got, you know, piece of regular, say, hardwood. I went to the lumber yard, they cut up for me, and right now I'm gonna actually join them together. So amigos, I'm going to explain exactly what I did on day 5 and day 6, since I don't really talk throughout the video. This recording of project is actually more difficult than I expected. But on day 5, when I was covering the exposure unit, I used rivets for this. I think that's what you call it. You can go around the whole, like I was saying, I was using rivets. That way I don't have to wait on a welder to weld everything together. But on this side, on the front cover, I didn't use rivets. I'm actually going to use screws. You can see I don't have all of them right now because I'm gonna work on something right now. But the idea was to use screws. That way I could unscrew this, and if I need to fix the lighting on my LED lights, I could just slide it off, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, now before I show you guys the purpose of this remove front cover, I'm going to show you guys what I did on day 6, because I didn't finish properly that video because as you can tell it got real dark. But anyways, I just ended up making the tabletop, like tabletop you could call it, using the wood I bought the lumber yard, and luckily it was enough for the entire thing. This is actually the leftover pieces, and to make it better I decided to nail in a piece of metal that was left over from this part. That way I can have a smooth surface to place the LED lights, because the LED lights, they do come with the little sticker side. The only thing left to do is drill a hole on one of these sides. Not really sure which side I'm going to do it. That way the wires could actually hang in here, and I'll find a way to actually nail in the little power adapter that I use for the LED lights. That's another reason why I decided to go with wood. That I can actually nail down here instead of taking space underneath. But anyways, let me explain this. Now I did use screws in case for some reason I have an issue with my LED lights. I want to go underneath here. I could just remove this and pull this out, because this won't be in here. So in case I do have an issue with my LED lights where I need to fix a wire or something, since I'm gonna have the glass here, one, I could remove this, safely remove the glass. If the opponent's up here, fix it, but if the opponent's down in the bottom, so I won't be crouching, I could just remove this. And it'd be a lot easier to fix it, especially if there's a problem in the bottom or something. So yeah, so that's the whole purpose of this. Now I'm actually gonna have to get smaller screws for on this part, because if I actually place the screw on here, most likely it's gonna get in the way of the glass. But that's okay. I'm just gonna screw from the sides, and most likely just have it like this, like that in there. But so yeah, so that's all for this little video, day 5 and 6. So right now I'm gonna actually start assembling the LED lights. So let me tell you, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.